All right. Well, all right, we are back. We did a bank run. We have money, honey. We have 2162 plus another 130, I think. So let's get organized. I'm sitting here at the kitchen table looking at my dogs. One of them sitting at the end of the couch, and he's falling asleep while he's staring at me. So, I realize it's been a while since I did cash stuffing video. So here I am. Yeah. We're not doing we're only doing high priority sinking funds, cash envelopes, and bills. Yeah. Me and my wife are both taking some unpaid time off, so we're got our last paychecks, and in a couple weeks we will be living off of our savings. It will be worth it though, I think. I'm pretty sure it'll be worth it. So, all of this is organized. Some of the bankers are nice and they'll pre-organize it for me. Others just throw it in an envelope and are like, there you go, you're on your way. And I'm just like, the fuck? All right. Here it is, all of the money in its glory. My bad. Had to get a thumbnail. All right, so first up, if I'm in the frame or not. Hopefully I am. First up is groceries. It's $300. And that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Next up is gas. Whenever we have rollover from the gas, it's going into car maintenance because they need maintenance right now. 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 120. Personal gets 60. Nicole's personal account gets 60 also. Then we have rent. Gonna stuff this only to go deposit it and pay rent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3. Double check just to make sure. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,020, 1,024. Nope. 1,000. Yeah. I don't know. 20, 40, 1,040, 1,041, 42, 43. And this is all of rent. cell phone and internet. I hate it so much. It gets $60. We switched over to AT&T because they said they would beat the rate of T-Mobile. And fun fact, they do not. Utilities. All right, sinking funds. The vet gets 200. 51, 5,200. The vet money also goes towards grooming, dog food, which we have to make a batch. I think we have to make a batch soon. So that'll be fun. It always takes a couple hours. Car tags gets 17. Best to be prepared, my friends. Car tags aren't due until November, I think. But it's always good to have it ahead. Insurance, it's always good to have ahead too. Insurance gets 60. 60. I know we could pay monthly technically, but it's just funner paying it in one lump sum. After insurance, we're paying taxes. Taxes is vacation is getting skipped. It's not a priority right now. Taxes gets 113. 113. I hate taxes. Taxes are stupid. My wife was telling me you could write off your dogs. I laughed. I don't know if that's true or not. You boys might have to be working dogs. Car maintenance gets 150. 51.50. $550. And my cash tray is empty. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. I don't know why you would watch cash stuffing unless you're weird like me and you enjoy watching money get put in envelopes to be spent at a later date. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll check you next time. Bye. Bye.